Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox in VR on mobile, which involves a specific streaming method rather than direct mobile support. While Roblox does not natively support virtual reality directly on phones or tablets, you can still immerse yourself in its virtual worlds. The only way to achieve this is by streaming the personal computer version of Roblox from a powerful gaming computer to a compatible mobile virtual reality headset. This approach cleverly bridges the gap, allowing you to enjoy the full virtual reality experience on your mobile device. To begin your virtual reality Roblox journey, you first need essential hardware. A powerful, virtual reality-ready personal computer is non-negotiable, acting as the brain for rendering Roblox. You'll also need a compatible mobile virtual reality headset that can connect to and stream from your personal computer, such as an Oculus Quest 1, Quest 2, or a Pico Neo. Crucially, a very strong and stable Wi-Fi network, ideally 5 GHz, is vital to prevent lag and ensure a seamless, immersive experience while streaming your games. Setting up the right software is the next critical step for mobile virtual reality Roblox. On your personal computer, you must install Steam VR, which is the foundational platform for most personal computer virtual reality experiences. Next, download a streaming application, like Virtual Desktop or Alver, onto both your virtual reality headset and your personal computer. These apps create the bridge for your virtual reality content. Finally, confirm that the regular Roblox personal computer client is fully installed and updated on your gaming personal computer, ready to launch. Now, let's connect and launch Roblox. First, turn on your virtual reality headset and confirm it is connected to the exact same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network as your personal computer. Then, open your chosen streaming application, like Virtual Desktop, on both your headset and personal computer to establish a stable link. Once connected, and you see your personal computer desktop in virtual reality, launch Steam VR. Finally, open the Roblox personal computer client on your personal computer, and select any virtual reality-supported game to begin playing within your headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.